Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I would like to have a demonstration of my first project in Laravel 11 in MySQL, a simple address book that can perform add, edit, delete in view. So we have here the sample program, and then I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video in my GitHub account. So we will have just a walkthrough, no? All the codes I just put in a zip file, no? So here I created the model. So the model here, we have here the fields that we want to have to include, no? The name, email, phone, and address. And then here in the migration, I'm just created a contact table. So in the contact table, we have several fields. Okay, so we have your contacts, the table name, email, phone, and address. And then we have here several created blade, the UI here. Okay, very simple. Editable blade to edit the record, to add record to display. Okay, okay, so we have here the output. Then up, no, the title, no, of our main app blade, no, to display the main front end of our system, no. And then very important is the route. Okay, so contacts, no. So as I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for our address book in Laravel. So we have here the environment. You have to edit this one, rename this env that example, remove the example. So the database that we have is address book. Okay, now let us go with our program. Let's say we will add a record. Click add button. Let's say for example Jose Tan, Jose email tan at gmail.com, and then phone 4335651, address Negros Occidental, Philippines. Okay, click the save button. Okay, so we have here the record of Josetan, email address josetan@gmail.com, phone number 4335671, address Negros Occidental, Philippines. So we have here several records. If we want to edit or change, click edit. Let's say Josetan Cruz. Okay, another family name Cruz. Click update. It will update the name. If we want to delete, just delete. Click the delete button. It will ask you, are you sure? Okay, cancel. Click OK. The record of Josetan Cruz is already deleted. Okay, so that's it guys, no? I'm just learning Laravel, no? So running the server, just issue a command php artisan serve. Okay, let's go back here. If we want to see the database, localhost plus php my admin. Address book, we have several records here. Just select contacts, and then we have the records of all the persons here. Okay, again, if we go here and then add a new record, let's say Bill Gates at microsoft.com, several phone number, Washington DC USA, just for an example. Click save. Contact added successfully. When we want to verify, just refresh, and then we have the record of Bill Gates. Okay, here successfully. If we go back here and then we delete, click, Bill Gates will be deleted. Okay, observe properly when I refresh the table. No more record of Bill Gates. So that's it guys, now the end of my demo of address book using Laravel 11 in MySQL. Thank you so much for watching. I will put a link where you can download the complete source code in my GitHub account. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. Until then, this is your friend Dr. Jake R. Pomperada, PhD, saying keep coding, keep learning. I love you all. Bye-bye.